Dr. Brian here with New England Wellness Solutions, where we choose points over pills. Topic of the day is joint pain. Now, it's a lot more common in people than you think. 54 million American adults suffer from joint pain, and you're talking 1 every 5 people. And so, you want to be able to do things proactively to prevent joint pain, but also when you have it, you can make different lifestyle changes, whether it's your diet or your exercise, to empower yourselves to change the joint pain on your own, right? Now, arthritis can come in many different forms. The most common is osteoarthritis, where you have wearing down of your joints and your cartilage, leading to bone on bone, which is really painful, right? Another form is rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune condition where your immune system is actually attacking different joints, causing pain throughout the body. It could be random pains, it could be a lot of swelling, it could be a lot of redness that really impacts your day-to-day. And you can't really combat that because it's your own body's reaction to your joints, right? Now what you can do, what you do have the power to do on your own, is to help your body clear that inflammation out, which in turn helps with the significant amount of pain that you have, right? Today I'm going to share with you 3 different things that you can try to really impact your pain, to decrease your inflammation, and to give you the best chance to keep yourself either pain-free or keep the pain at a much more manageable level, right? Number 1 is your diet. And so you have the power to make these decisions for yourself every day when you go to the supermarket, where you're able to make the choices to have more anti-inflammatory foods and stay away from inflammatory causing foods, right? Don't even keep it in the house. Now, I always tell patients, if you walk around the perimeter of a grocery store, you're usually pretty good, right? Where you have the produce, the fruits, the vegetables, the meats, the fresh baked goods. Whereas when you start to go through the aisles, that's where you have things with more chemicals for preservatives, things that are more high in sugars, like Pop-Tarts or donuts or whatever snacks that you enjoy, right? And those processed sugars can be a huge trigger for inflammation. Now, if I were to give you a few examples of foods to stay away from, it would be just that: processed sugars, alcohol, things that are really fatty and greasy that causes your body to hold on to inflammation. Now, if we were to talk about on the flip side of that coin, foods that can help you to clear that inflammation out of your body, it's things with a lot of antioxidants, right? And one of the best things that you can do is have more berries. Berries are full of antioxidants, and some of the best berries are the darker ones. So you're talking about your blackberries, your blueberries, and raspberries, right? Another food that can really help to clear inflammation is ginger. You can use it in your cooking, and you can also use it as a tea. The problem is ginger can be a little bit spicy sometimes, and so that acrid, spicy kind of taste can deter people from taking it. But if you can build it into your daily routine, it's such a great tool for clearing inflammation. And then the third thing that I'll share diet-wise is turmeric. Turmeric is a common food in Indian cuisine in a lot of curries, right? But you can take it as a supplement as well. You can also find it fresh in the grocery store, but it's not the most tasty thing. It's very bitter, it's hard to get down, and so I recommend patients have the supplement form. And when you do get the supplement, one of the most important things about that is actually having it with black pepper. The black peppercorn will enhance the potency of turmeric by a factor of 10. So make sure your supplement has both. When it comes to exercise, it's just an emphasis on rotational movement that lubricates your joints, right? A lot of our joints are designed to rotate. For example, our spine, our arms, our hips, right? So these different movements need to be practiced every day or every other day to keep your joints nice and healthy. If you're looking for more information on that, we will share 2 videos with the links here. One is about the inflammatory diet, and the other is about movement as therapy. Now, the third thing that I wanted to share with all of you is acupuncture. Acupuncture is such an amazing tool for arthritis. And the reason why is because we can help with pain, we can help clear inflammation, and we can help to invigorate the blood circulation into different joints so that you can preserve your joint health, clear out the inflammation, and hopefully bring it more resources for healthier cartilage and healthier synovial fluid, which cushions the joint, right? And so acupuncture can be a part of your tool belt as well. But first and foremost, try these different things that you can do that you have in your control to decrease the inflammation and the pain, maintain joint health, all at home, right, with diet and exercise. I'm Dr. Brian, and this is my message for today. Empowering you to make better decisions for yourself, we choose points over pills.